Let's create a speaker illustration in Inkscape. First of all, select the polygon tool and make these 6 corners. Press Ctrl and drag your mouse. So I will make it like this, and go to the fill and stroke tab and remove the fill and add a stroke. I'll make this 44 pixels. So this is actually for the grill part of the speaker. Ctrl D to duplicate and snap it to the edge. Make sure you have turned on snapping here. Ctrl D again and snap it right there, and do the same thing. Now we have to generate a pattern out of this for the grill. For that, draw a rectangle. Make sure you have, under advanced mode, make sure you have selected object midpoints. Now I can draw the rectangle and make sure it is intersecting the midpoints of this and this. Give it a color and press shift click to remove the stroke. Now what we have to do is we have to extract the part inside this rectangle so that this can be replicated to make seamless patterns. First of all, I'm going to select everything. I'm going to shift click to deselect the rectangle. Since these are strokes, I have to make it to a path. So go to path, stroke to path. Make it into a single path. So go to path, union. Now you can see it's a single path. Make this rectangle a path as well. Go to path, object to path. Now select both and go to path, intersection. You can see now the basic shape of the pattern is created. To convert this into a pattern, go to path, pattern, objects to pattern, or you can press Alt I. Now if you double click, you can see this handle. Press Ctrl and drag to lock proportions. You can even rotate this. Now to create the speaker, draw a rectangle and make it rounded so that we can create a pill-shaped speaker, and give it a black color and make it 100% opaque. Select a linear gradient. Let's make this opaque and change its color to a light shade so that it looks like this. Duplicate this and change its color. Bring it to the front. Select both by pressing Alt and clicking to select the red pill, and then Shift to select the pattern. Object, mask, set mask. Now if you zoom in and see, you can see the pattern has been reshaped into this pill. Let's change its color. You can see there it looks like a grill for a speaker. Now select the rectangle tool, draw a rectangle, make it into the mid and give it a gradient. You can just slap on a text like this. Let's make a white background and select the ellipse tool and draw a circle. Send it backwards, one step forward, make it a little smaller, blur it out, Ctrl D again, make it less blurry so that it looks like it's real.